So, you want to create content using AI voices. Well, I'm going to show you how. First off, you're going to need to choose what voice you want to create. It could be a fictional character or someone real, but the key is to have someone that has a lot of quality audio data. An example could be someone like Joe Rogan. Since he has a podcast, there is a ton of audio data from him that is very high quality and has little background noise. Another good option is a video game character, since their voice lines generally give lots of high-quality data. In this tutorial, I'm going to use Cassidy from Overwatch. After you've chosen the voice you want to replicate, you are going to need samples of their voice. The more the better. But like I said before, the key is to have high-quality audio. Having 10 minutes of talking with a ton of background noise will produce worse results. Or if there are other voices in the audio file, the output might not be as good. Since Cassidy has so many voice lines, I can just use a video that contains them at high quality. I'm going to use this video by Venero. Make sure that you have legal permission to use this audio, though. For this case, all rights to this sample audio belong to Blizzard Entertainment. Once you have your sample or samples, download them to your computer. I'm going to use YTDLP, but there are many other services to accomplish this. Okay, now that you have the audio samples, it's time for the fun stuff. There are a ton of different AI voice software, but in this tutorial, I'm going to use 11 Labs. 11 Labs allows you to create different voices for free, but to do a custom voice, you are going to need a subscription. These are the different subscription packages. Starter has the best value by giving you 10 custom voices, along with 30,000 characters per month. This means every month you can generate 30,000 characters worth of text using the Voice Cloner tool. After subscribing to the website, go to the Voice Lab tab to create a custom voice. You'll want to select the Add Voice option, then the Instant Voice Cloning. Now enter the name for your voice. I'm going to call mine Cassidy. Then provide your audio sample file into the site. You are allowed to enter 25 different samples, with each sample having a maximum size of 10 megabytes. Then you have the option of adding 5 different labels to the voice. These can allow you to add certain descriptors to the voice, such as an accent. You can also add a description, which can help the software determine how the voice is supposed to sound, or allow you to modify it to give it some variance. Once you have completed these steps, you can agree to their terms of service and press Add Voice. After the voice is generated, press Use to use the voice, or go to the Speech Synthesis tab on the website. The settings allows you to choose which voice to use and modify its parameters, while the text allows you to choose what the voice will say. You can also see your total characters remaining, as well as how many characters will be used when you press Generate. Under Voice Settings, you will see the options to change the stability, as well as the clarity and similarity, which the website defines as follows. Increasing variability can make speech more expressive with output varying between regenerations. It can also lead to instabilities. Increasing stability will make the voice more consistent between regenerations, but it can also make it sound a bit monotone. On longer text fragments, we recommend lowering this value. Whereas low clarity is defined as low values are recommended if background artifacts are present in generated speech, while high clarity by recommended. High enhancement boosts overall voice clarity and target speaker similarity. Very high values can cause artifacts, so adjusting this setting to find the optimal value is encouraged. So be sure to modify these settings to suit your needs. And finally, you can choose between monolingual or multilingual model, which defines if your voice is using English or other languages. For this example, we are using monolingual. After all your settings are configured, you can enter some text and press Generate. When your audio is finished generating, you will have the options to play through it, like or dislike it, or download it. It's also possible to regenerate your audio if the result is not what you are looking for. However, this will continue to use your monthly characters. Okay, let's listen to the result.
Hey, I'm Cassidy from Overwatch.
Sounds pretty good. Now I'm going to download it to my computer. To then use this audio to create some online content, I'm going to put it into a video editor. For this tutorial, I will use Final Cut Pro. Now that I'm in my Final Cut Pro project, I'm going to put in my audio file. Final Cut Pro has a built-in feature called Voice Isolation. This feature focuses the audio on the voice and attempts to remove background noise. This is very useful for results that have some fuzzy or bad noises in the background, as it helps to make the voice clearer. After you've added some other things like video clips or images, your video is ready to be exported and uploaded to whatever platform you choose. Overall, AI is an exciting and powerful tool, but it's important to use it appropriately. Have fun,